Hello everyone, welcome to Build Your Logics. In this video, we will be discussing one interview question, and that question is: we have given one number that is 43. We have to sum up all the numbers. We have to sum up all the digits in the given number, and we have to check that number is prime or not. So we have got one number that is 43. We need to sum up all the digits. That is 4 plus 3, and we got the output as 7, right? After summing up all the digits, we got 7, and we have to check this 7 is prime or not. Right? This is our task. So for this, I am doing a very simple method over here. That is, I'm converting this number into a string format. Why as a string? Because I can run a enhanced for loop over here very easily for a string. And I cannot sum up all the numbers, right? So for that, I'm converting that number into the integer format. It is a from string to integer, correct? So what next is I have to sum all the digits and I have to declare the variable that sum is equal to 0. So in this loop, when it is running the for loop, the 4 will come and it will convert into the integer format, and we will add this to 4. Sum is equal to 0 plus 4, that is the sum is 4 now. And the second time the num is 3, right? And we converted into the integer, and 4 already the sum is 4 plus 3 is 7. So we got the whatever we need. So we have to check again is it is prime or not. I am running another for loop that for I in range of 2 comma sum. So why it will start at 2? Because if I start at 0, if I consider range of sum, like range sum, if I mention like this, it starts at 0. It should not start at 0 because we will get the 0 division error, and any number can divisible by 1. So I cannot start the loop at 1. So I am starting this at 2, right? If the sum, whatever the like after summing up all the digits we got is divisible by 0, if the remainder is 0, if I do modulo, I'll get the remainder, right? If remainder is 0, it is divisible, right? If that is 0, it is not a prime. It is not a prime. And I have to break over here. I can break over here because we don't need to run the loop again. Once if we know it is not a prime, it's not a prime, right? Otherwise, if it is not divisible by any of the number, it is a prime. It is a prime. And which is prime? That sum, after summing up whatever the digit we got is prime, correct? This is what, right? I am running the loop. You can see here the 7 is prime. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel to see more such videos.